Welcome back to Machine Squad, where every shot counts, and every weapon tells a story. Today, we're not just looking at rifles, we're diving into the very definition of precision. These are the top 8 sniper and marksman rifles that don't just shoot, they change the battlefield. Trusted by elite sharpshooters and special forces, these rifles deliver surgical accuracy at distances where most weapons fail to even reach. From lightweight carbon beasts to heavy-duty steel titans, we're ranking the most accurate long-range rifles ever made. And believe me, number 1 will leave even veteran snipers speechless. So lock in, adjust your optics, and let's get tactical. Let's kick things off with the Ruger precision rifle, chambered in the legendary 6.5 Creedmoor, a favorite among long-range shooters for its flat trajectory and low recoil. This bolt-action rifle is a dream for precision shooters straight out of the box, with a price tag of around $2,600. Key specs: 24 inches cold hammer forged barrel with 5R rifling. Hybrid muzzle brake cuts recoil and muzzle rise. Folding stock with adjustable cheek riser and lop. Accepts multiple magazine types, including ASES, with a 3-lug bolt and 70 throw. Cycling is lightning fast. The Ruger Marksman adjustable trigger offers a clean break from 2.25 to 5 pounds. At 10.7 pounds, this rifle is hefty enough for stability but portable for field work. Whether you're zeroing in on paper at the range or steel targets on a mountainside, the Ruger delivers deadly accuracy. Next, meet the SIG Sauer CROSS, a true hybrid of tactical design and backcountry functionality. Chambered in 6.5 Creedmoor, .308 Win, or .277 Fury, this rifle comes in under 7 pounds, making it one of the lightest in its class, perfect for shooters on the move. Why it stands out: fully adjustable folding stock, available in 24 inches or 16 inches barrels depending on the caliber. 2-stage match-grade trigger. Integrated Picatinny rail and M-lock slots. At about $1,700, it's built for both hunters and tactical shooters who demand performance across diverse terrain. Whether stalking elk or taking 800-yard shots, the Cross stays deadly accurate and rugged. Coming in at number 6 is the Browning X-Bolt Max Long Range, an absolute sleeper in the world of precision rifles. With a price around $1,300, this bolt gun offers premium-level accuracy at an affordable entry point. Standout features: fluted heavy barrel with factory muzzle brake. Adjustable composite stock with comb and lop adjustments. Butter-smooth bolt with short 60 lift. Tang-mounted safety for added security. The Inflex recoil pad absorbs punishment, keeping you on target, and the wide beaver-tail for end makes it perfect for sandbags or bipods. In short, it's budget-friendly, battle-proven, and seriously accurate. Number 5 is where things get serious. The fierce CT Rogue is a carbon fiber-wrapped monster chambered in 7mm precision rifle cartridge PRC. At just 5.4 pounds, this rifle is ultra-lightweight, yet it performs like a custom competition rig. Key highlights: 20 inches carbon fiber barrel with 1-to-8 twist. Titanium action and 70 bolt throw. Adjustable Bixen anti-trigger. Submoa guarantee down to 0.75 groups. The stock is also carbon fiber with a negative comb to reduce recoil and maintain sight picture. The DLC-coated bolt is smooth, tough, and fast. For long-range hunters who cover serious ground, this rifle brings match-grade performance without the weight penalty. Sliding into 4th is the Tikka T3x Tactical A1, a Finnish-engineered masterpiece that balances European precision with American practicality. Priced near $2,500, it's available in 6.5 Creedmoor and .308 Winchester, and features a 24 inches cold hammer forged barrel with a 1-to-8 twist rate. What makes it special? Side folding stock, fully adjustable. Aircraft-grade aluminum chassis, 2-stage adjustable trigger. Full-length Picatinny rail and modular M-lock for end. At just under 10 pounds, it's a precision platform that doesn't compromise mobility. Whether on the range or in the field, it's as reliable as it is customizable. No wonder it's a go-to for law enforcement, snipers, and competition shooters alike. Now we're stepping into elite territory. The Sako TRG 22A1 isn't just a rifle, it's a precision system trusted by special forces and police snipers worldwide. Costing around $5,500, this rifle doesn't play. Top features: skeleton-style folding stock with push-button adjustability, 26 precision barrel, full-length Picatinny rails with modular lock cutouts, ambidextrous safety, adjustable trigger with position control. Built for extreme range precision, this Finnish sniper rifle is a legend in the making. Whether you're engaging at 1,200 yards or setting up for Overwatch, the TRG 22A1 is military-grade accuracy in civilian hands. At number 2, we've got a modular marvel from a name that's become synonymous with tactical innovation, Daniel Defense Delta 5. For around $2,000, you get sub-0.75 mo accuracy with swappable barrels, no gunsmith required. Core features: cold hammer forged stainless steel barrel, interchangeable barrels and calibers, Timney Elite Hunter trigger, carbon fiber reinforced polymer stock. It combines bolt-action precision with AR-style modularity, making it one of the most versatile rifles on this list. Whether you're reconfiguring for a hunt or a match, this rifle keeps up. At number 2, we've got a modular marvel from a name that's become synonymous with tactical innovation, Daniel Defense Delta 5. For around $2,000, you get sub-0.75 mo accuracy with swappable barrels, no gunsmith required. Core features: cold hammer forged stainless steel barrel, interchangeable barrels and calibers, Timney Elite Hunter trigger, carbon fiber reinforced polymer stock. It combines bolt-action precision with AR-style modularity, making it one of the most versatile rifles on this list. Whether you're reconfiguring for a hunt or a match, this rifle keeps up. So there you have it, 8 rifles that push the limits of what's possible at long range. From carbon fiber chassis to match-grade triggers, every one of these rifles brings something deadly to the table. Which one would you trust with a 1,000-yard shot? Did we miss your favorite long-range rifle? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you're into elite firearms, next-gen combat gear, and tactical deep dives, subscribe to Machine Squad and ring that bell. Until next time, stay sharp, shoot straight, and dominate the distance.